Hey again everyone, this is Fuad, and in this video we're gonna be making a DIY cards holder out of cardboard. This applies to any type of card game, so feel free to build it by yourself. I plan to build a case that holds 3 decks of cards. The width of the deck matches approximately the same size as the width of a jumbo popsicle stick. Prepare 2 identical pieces of jumbo popsicle sticks. And then you also want to prepare some supporters. Use super glue to attach the 2 popsicle sticks in a perpendicular manner. The supporting bars also need to be perpendicular to the popsicle sticks. Use hot glue this time to make sure that these are well supported. You can attach these holders onto the flat piece of cardboard in any orientation as you like. You want to get rid of the excess hot glue that has been oozing out from the inside. This will create excess friction when you pull out the cards. And with that, the basic design is set. Attach your flat piece of cardboard onto a base. Leave out some space from the edge to prevent it from falling from behind. I've decided to curve cut the side pieces of the model. This is the Duel Masters edition, but you can literally make it with any type of playing cards. After some decorations, the DIY cards holder is ready. If this video was helpful, be sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't to stay tuned for the upcoming videos on my channel.